What's up, fellow traders? Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. Yeah, as we speak right now, I'm checking Great Britain pound. I'm checking gold USD. So here's what's going on. I could see that USD has picked its strength against gold. So as we speak, so please, before we proceed, please, I very much appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe on my channel. I would really appreciate it, people. Please, I'm begging you, please like, share, and subscribe on my channel. Click the notification button just in case I do another video. I really appreciate it. So now let's go. From what I can see here, I could see that USD is gaining its strength against gold. And what really makes USD gain its strength against gold, it means that USD is really going to shake the market a little bit. So let's go behind and check what really happened. You could see that gold swings a lot up. It forms a heel kind of, it forms a heel kind of top. But from what I can see here, as gold has formed a heel kind of top, it simply signifies that, it's going to come down a little bit and it might retrace up again. But for now, it's a downtrend. So if I'm trading this, just let us check it behind. Let's check it, August, 2016, 17, 18. This is as 2019. You could see the ground that gold took. Gold took momentum from 2019 and it keeps climbing up. You get it? This is January 31st, 2019, and gold keep climbing up. It keeps climbing, it keep climbing, it keep climbing, it keep climbing, it keep climbing. You understand? So USD don't really have the strength, the power, the stamina to fight gold as at then. But right now, from what I can see, USD is kind of finding its ground, but I don't really think it's gonna be for long. You get it? But USD is finding its ground and it's established its stand on the market, which is very good as well. So as it is like this, let's just check what really make USD to take charge of the market. You get it? Some people might say, some people, I would say from this very point, when it gets to this very point, gold picks another stand. From here, gold starts struggling. It starts showing USD that, oh, it's struggling. Gold struggle a little bit in this place. So when it struggles, from there it stretched, the market stretched. Gold has been struggling from this very point. You get a struggle with USD. It's more or less like indecision. It struggles, it struggles, it struggles, it struggles. The USD is trying to gain its strength. But when it got to this very point, USD lost its strength against gold. And not just because of this confirmation that is in this very circle, but because it was fighting, both wars have been fighting, and there was a kind of little bit of kind of indecision. You get it? So the decision goes to gold favor because USD in the capital market, in the international markets, the stamina was weak. You get it? The stamina was so weak, and there's nothing else that gold would do. This is June 22, 2020. From there, gold picked up and gold keep, crusading the market. You can even see from every point that the non-farm payroll come out. USD has no power. You can see, sorry guys, you can see USD has no power. USD don't even gain the market. The non-farm payroll for USD against gold is bullshit. I'm so sorry to use that language, but it doesn't really go well. You get it? But gold was still able to climb and climb and climb and climb and climb. It's keep climbing even up till now. So if you could see it, this is June 2020. Let's go to March. So the last time that USD really picked some string against gold, last time that USD really picked some string against gold was March 2020. You get it? USD picked a string and it started going down, it started going down, it started going down. When it picks the strength, the strength for gold wasn't really strong enough. I don't know. what really happened there, but I believe that gold, gold transaction or gold sales and all that really falls and drop on the market. This was why gold was weak. I'm not telling you news right now, I'm telling you the fact. You get it? So from there, gold was able to like pick up the momentum. USD drag it back from all this angle, it forms a pin bar reversal in this place, which another thing does not confirm. So before you know what's going on, USD pull it a little bit, and gold took it up from there. Gold took it up from there. Gold took it up from there, and it climbs up a little bit. USD was still able to drag it. They keep dragging. Both of them keep fighting. It's like two people fighting. You get it? It's like two people dragging a position with themselves. They keep dragging. They keep dragging. May 2017, May 27, 2017. They keep dragging. They drag to June 2, 2020. When they drag till June 2, USD USD tried to like reverse, but it didn't move much, and it bounced back up. You get it? Before you know what's going on, gold pick it up. USD and gold struggled again. They struggled again in this very circle. They try to know who the boss is. You get it? They struggle again in this very circle. They try to know who the boss is. But before you know, gold pick up a little momentum here and show USD that, hey, you know what, it's all the way up. But when it got to this point, USD dragged it. So when the market is tight like this, it means that both of the market are trying to like gain strength. But to me, I believe it was because gold was a little bit weak then. It was weak to the level and the strength of US dollar. This was why US dollar was able to hold it in this circle. But before you know what's going on, gold picked it up again, and it went up a little bit, and USD keep dragging again. Gold keep giving USD the sign that I'm going up. When it got to on the 20th of June, gold pick up the string, and gold start going and up 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 and up. So gold stopped, gold's momentum kind of like tried to slow down on the 6th of August. You get it? Gold momentum was a little bit kind of slowed down on the 6th of August. But, USD pick it up, USD pick it down from there, pick it bearish from there, and USD dragged it down. USD dragged it to a specific point. So when USD dragged it to that specific point, USD is trying to prove something in the market. You get it? When USD tried to prove those things in the market, USD did not go far. It didn't go far. Go drag with it again. They struggle, go drag with it again. But here, USD has claimed that it's broken out. But to me, I don't really see that USD is going to go far from my own perspective. It's going to come down a little bit, and gold is still going to pick it up again. This is what I see. You get it? So, but this is how I will trade if I'm to trade, This is how I'll trade if I'm to trade. Yeah, gold USD. I'm going to trade it. But this is how I'll trade if I want to trade it. I know right now it's a downtrend. Yeah, it's going to go down whether anybody likes it or not. It's going to go down. It's a downtrend in the market. Okay, when it goes down, don't forget, USD, Great Britain, gold is definitely going to pick up against it again. Yeah, the gold is definitely going to pick up against it again, because gold is really strong. Gold is really gold have some kind of fire on it that comes with it. So as I'm looking at things like this, I strongly believe that gold is definitely going to take charge of the market from what I can see here. But when it comes down, if it beats this point, because to me, I'll book sell from here to this point, to this very, I'll book sell from that to this very, take profit, like something like this. Take profit 1784.98. I'm gonna put my take profit there, and I'm gonna put my stop loss in 1884.33. You get it? I'm gonna put my stop loss there. Well, my take profit will be somewhere here. You get it? So when I do that, I believe it's definitely going to hit my take profit. If it will reverse, then it take up from there. You get it? But as this market is now, it's proving downtrend trend. So I'm gonna place sell, but it's gonna be tomorrow night, because tomorrow night the market will be open. So that is it will be like a midnight and a London time. So tomorrow night the market will be open. So I'll place sell. So when I place sell, I believe the market is coming down because it's a bearish market from what I could see. So people, please, I'll definitely appreciate it if you could like, share, and subscribe on my channel. It means a lot to me. I really appreciate it, and I really appreciate your help in the market. I really appreciate everything. I really appreciate those that are writing me. I really appreciate those that are calling me. I really appreciate, everybody's word, no matter how small, no matter how big it is. I really appreciate whatever kind of word everybody used for me, whatever kind of polite words I mean. So I really appreciate it. So let's get going on this. So as it is like this, USD is really going to, push it down a little bit and, shake some, USD is going to shake it a little bit. You get it? But from there, if USD could beat this very momentum to this very place, 1716.87, if USD can beat it to this point, then definitely USD is going down. But from what I can see now, USD might really struggle here, because gold is not just giving up the jinx like that. Gold is highly demanding stuff on the capital market. So I believe USD is still going to pull it down a little bit, but that's not the biggest assurance that gold will not take back its strength from USD, which I could see that gold would definitely do. You get it? So from what I could see here, I am okay. I'm okay with USD at the moment. I'm gonna trade sell. I'm gonna trade bearish as it is like this. I'm not trading bullish for now. So everyone, please just let me know what you think. Let me know what you see in this market. But this is what I see, and this is what I can say. So everyone, I really appreciate it if you could like, share, and subscribe. Just like I said the other time, please trade safe, trade wise. Have a good weekend. This is Saturday on the 26th of September 2020. So trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy. God bless us all. I love you guys. Thanks everyone for watching my daily forecast forex trading video. I really appreciate it. Please, if you feel like asking me any question, please drop it on any of my social media pages and I'll definitely get back to you. If the question is so pressing, please, you could give me a call on Skype any day, anytime at IFX. I'll definitely pick up your call and we'll talk it through. Please, I'll definitely appreciate it if you could add me on any of my social media pages, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook, and I'll definitely appreciate it. Thanks everyone. Have a